What up, guys? Today we're going to be going over SatoX coin. It is a play to earn coin. This project kind of piqued my interest. I definitely think play to earn is going to be up there in those big narratives for the next bull run. I'm going to show you guys how to get it set up in mining and Hive OS Windows. I'm also going to go over with the play to earn, show you guys how to get it set up. Yeah, I'm not going to waste your time. This coin has been out for a couple months, so yeah, we're just going to get it set up for you. Go ahead, like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out the links down below. They'll make you some money. They'll make me some money. Let's get into it. Okay, so I've recorded this video like twice and messed up both times, so hopefully this is the right time. So we're going over this SatoX coin is currently sitting at 0.00282833. As you guys can see, it's a little bit down from its all-time high. It's down over the last 30 days. I don't get why they're not showing a 1 year. This coin on at least CoinGecko got listed around November 18th. And so, yeah, there's a little bit of potential. It's currently sitting at a market cap rank of 1,226. So yeah, this coin is actually really awesome because they you essentially play whatever games you want on Steam and they'll pay you out in a little bit of crypto. I do have some complaints about that, but we'll get into that later in the video. So first things first, like always, you guys are going to download your web GUI wallet. Always make sure to be safe. Yes, this coin has been out for a while. A couple of people have talked about it, so the wallet is probably safe, but also remember to use discretion, download virtual machines, or have a dedicated mini PC that is just for these things of the sort. But whatever, you're going to download it. It's going to download as a RAR file. You're going to go ahead, extract that. You can use WinRAR. Open up your wallet, let it sync to the network, do all that fun things. After you have that, you're going to come over here to find a pool. Currently vapor.net is sitting at the top of the chart. The difficulty is down from its peak, so that's always good. You know, you definitely want to get, if the yield was really bad, you probably wouldn't want to hop on it, but the yield looks relatively good right now. We'll go over to hashrate.no in a second to kind of see what it's looking like. It's definitely probably not going to be profitable, but stack your bag. If it goes ahead and 10, 15, 20 X's, making money. Okay. One thing the play to earn, it covers a wide variety of games. Like they just added Tekken 8, which I'm really excited about. They also just recently added Palworlds, two really big games. Means could potentially bring a lot of people on the network, really big adoption. And yeah, so we're going to come over here to vapor.net. We're going to look over here for a SatoX coin. We're going to hit start mining. I'm going to use the American one. You're going to go ahead, you're going to get your Stratum TCP. Also, after you have your wallet, I have my wallet right there. Also, stay tuned for my Demo Macron video, because yeah. Okay, so you guys have your wallet address. You're going to come in. I like to, because this is a Kapow based coin, I usually like to just go ahead and copy a Kapow bat file. Go ahead, paste it in there. We're going to go ahead and rename it SatoX or whatever you want to name it. I already have mine down here from my last video. Then you're going to go to edit that. Then we're going to come back over here. You're going to copy the stratum right there. This one. And then you're going to go ahead and paste that right there. And then your wallet address, you're going to come and paste right here. And then dot worker file save. You're all set up to go on Windows. And then for Hive OS, just as easy. I was actually meaning to turn my rigs over to this coin for a couple weeks, but I have not gotten that far. So we're going to do add wallet. You're going to do SATO, enter your wallet address, wallet name, and then create it. After you have it created, you're going to come over to your flight sheets, coin, SATO, wallet. We're going to go with desk wallet and then pool. I'll configure that in miner. And then because I'm using AMD cards, because this is a Kapow based algorithm. And then for miner config, you're going to do wallet.worker. You're going to do your password if pool requires it. And then you're going to go ahead and then for your pool URL, you're going to use that stratum you copied earlier. And then, yeah, that should all be set. Hit apply changes and your SatoX is all up and ready to go. You're gonna hit create flight sheet and launch it to the moon. Super easy, super simple. Now for the play to earn, we're gonna come back to their website. We're gonna click on play to earn. I think this mechanic is going to be really interesting just because it allows people to play the games they already love to play, but you can earn crypto from it. One issue I do have with it is it's like, I guess they have a limited number of slots which close, which I think is really lame. Like, I mean, yeah, it really sucks because you're limiting how many people you can onboard onto the network, which is like kind of what you want to do right now. Like they're essentially limiting their adoption, which I think is really bad and could really hurt this project if they don't get their together. Because like they got a game that I was really interested in. I went to go sign up. I couldn't. I'm like, if I wasn't a miner, I'd be over with the project. Okay. So for to set up the play to earn, you're going to want to go ahead and use the desktop GUI wallet and your Steam ID. To get your Steam ID, you just go in the top corner, in the top right corner of your Steam where it shows your name. Click on that, go to account settings, you'll find it there. I'll have this link down below so you guys can go through and see it all. Then you'll go to this page here. Oop. And then you'll enter your wallet address and then enter your Steam ID there, hit submit, and then you're set up. It'll link to your Steam account. One thing I will point out, in order for it to work, you have to have your basic details, your profile and your game details set to public, which isn't necessarily a big deal. But if you're playing games with giant big titty tentacle monsters, you really want your friends to see that. But yeah, so yeah, super easy, super simple. I wish they had it so you could onboard it, but they don't. You can also run a node. It's not a money making node, but it'll support the network. So yeah, I think this project is going to be really interesting. There's a lot of people currently on it. I wish I could be on it. I would definitely be checking it out, but for the time being, Neoxa is the way to go. I definitely see this game having some really big potential coming up in the next bull run. I definitely recommend you guys hop on it and start mining it. But yeah, that's SatoX coin, and mine it, don't mine it, whatever. Go ahead, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for some more videos. I got some interesting ones coming out here shortly. Also check out the links down below. They'll make you some money. They'll make me some money. Peace out.